Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Most awaited opportunity for the students of Sindh. Yes, Sindh Talent Hunt Program STHP 2025 has been announced by Sukkur IBA University. This is the one of the greatest opportunity for the talented students of Sindh province. Students who have completed their intermediate in 2022, 2023 and 2024 are eligible to apply in this golden opportunity. For detailed information, watch this complete video. I will share test syllabus for entry test and topics, test sample paper, English, admissions required documents. These things will be shared in this video, especially about Sukkur IBA University, STHP, Sindh Talent Hunt Program, its main features, degree programs offered under this scholarship, documents required, eligibility criteria, test centers, selection criteria, how to apply, and important dates. I will also share test syllabus and test sample paper video links. As you are already aware that Sukkur IBA University is one of the top ranked universities in Pakistan. Sukkur IBA believes on merit, quality and excellence and has never compromised quality in its standards of students intake. Sukkur IBA's aim and objectives are to produce world-class graduates who can globally compete, possess high ethical values and work for the betterment of society. The challenges has been continued to emphasize on these aspects. Dream of Quality Education by Nisar Ahmad Siddiqui Saab started with only 2 rooms in public school Sukkur in 1994, affiliated with IBA Karachi. Got chartered by Government of Sindh and recognized by Higher Education Commission of Pakistan in 2006. Sindh Assembly passed Bill Sukkur IBA University in 2017. Why to choose Sukkur IBA University? Sukkur IBA University is ranked among the top institutions in Asia, including 441 to 450 in the QS World University Rankings. That is the second ranked university in Pakistan and 120th university in Southern Asia. CIBAU is among top 5 best business institutions of Pakistan as per Higher Education Commission. CIBAU business programs are given W category, which is one of the highest category by the National Business Education Accreditation Council. CIBAU's computer science programs are also given a W category. CIBAU engineering programs are recognized by PAC, Pakistan Engineering Council. CIBAU is a member of AACSB and in a process of implementation. CIBAU is also a member of many international quality assurance institutions. CIBAU follows modern teaching method. CIBAU maintain a high quality modern teaching research and IT infrastructure. Now comes Sindh Talent Hunt Program. Given the fact that students are not ready to enter higher education after completing 12th grades education, Sukkur IBA introduced Talent Hunt Program back in 2007. Understanding the students' need, Sukkur IBA admits students in THP for 6 months foundation semester to cover basic courses like English, mathematics and ICTs. These courses are rigorously taught to the students to prepare them for higher education. Over the years, Talent Hunt Program has proven its success in shape of reduced dropout rate at Sukkur IBA and improved academic students level. In the year 2015-16, Sukkur IBA with support of Oil and Gas Development Company Limited spread the program at national level, thus attracting underprivileged students from all districts of Pakistan. I hope the students who are eligible in National Talent Hunt Program, they have also applied there as well. Best wishes for their entry test. Sukkur IBA conducted outreach for the National Talent Hunt Program. Sukkur IBA team reached to the districts where no other university in past had access. This is one of the biggest. From Sindh eligible candidates, 41,000 4,100 students applied in Sindh National Talent Hunt program. So, as per the eligibility criteria, 12 to 15 districts were eligible from Sindh. In this program, all the districts of Sindh province are eligible to apply, and they will select only 200 candidates. So there will be a huge competition for the criteria. It is expected that more than 10,000 students will apply in this program. In response of such an aggressive outreach, Sukkur IBA received more than 6,000 applications. This institute conducted the entrance exams at 14 centers. This is some of the statistics about Talent Hunt program. Now comes main features about an STHP 2025. THP is a community service by Sukkur IBA with support of community development program by Sindh government. No tuition fees will be charged from the enrolled students. Books, bags and other study material is provided free of cost. Free transport facility for admitted students, pick and drop across Sukkur and Reti. A stipend of 4,000 per month is given to each student for personal expenses. Laptops and cash prizes are awarded to talented students who perform well in academic as well as extracurricular activities such as Mathematics Olympiad and book review competition. These courses will be taught in the foundation program. First of all, English, Mathematics and ICTs. These three courses will be taught at the foundation semester for 6 months. After successful completion of foundation semester, top 100 performing students from STHP will offered admission in Sukkur IBA University main campus. Initially, they will select 200 students, and from those 200, they will select top 100 students with 100% semester fee waiver for the period of 4 years, and also 5,000 stipend for 4 years as well per month. These programs are offered, first of all, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, specialization in HRM, Human Resource Management, Finance, Marketing and Agribusiness. Engineering programs in Electrical Engineering, Electronics Engineering, Computer System Engineering. These are some of the BS programs offered under Sindh Talent Hunt Program 2025. Computer Science, CS in Artificial Intelligence, Economics, Software Engineering, Mathematics, Media and Communication, Physical Education and Education, Bachelor of Education. Eligibility criteria for BBA, BS and B.Ed programs, intermediate or FSC with minimum 50% marks. For BS Mathematics, intermediate FSC pre-engineering group only with 50% marks. For BE Electrical, Energy Systems and Computer System Engineering, intermediate FSC pre-engineering with 60% marks. No condonations and are supplementary in any subject. Required documents. Before applying online, you should prepare these documents and scan these documents as well. Pass certificate, primary, metric and intermediate. There is not any pass certificate for primary, so you should scan leaving certificate for primary and get a metric certificate or intermediate certificate, metric and intermediate certificate from board office. Mark sheets, matriculation and intermediate. If you the result is announced for 2024, so you should get these certificates from board office. CNSE, your personal and fathers or guardian. B Farm, if you don't have CNSE. 4 passport size pictures. Family income slip, pension slip, salary slip. This is the one of the most important documents to get shortlist. You should get pension slip from the department where your father or guardian worked. Salary slip from the department as well. If you do, your father or mother or guardian is not If your father, mother or guardian is not the government servant, so you should get salaries income certificate from a revenue board or AC, assistant commissioner of your respective talukas or districts, electricity bill, paid bills of last 3 months, sui gas bills of last 3 months. If you don't have a sui gas connection, just provide billings of your woods bill. Fees receipts of siblings, most important. If your siblings are studying any private school, so you should submit these documents. Rented agreement. Important notes: candidates must have completed the intermediate in the years 2022, 2023 or 2024. Candidates must have domicile of Sindh province. Only Sindh province students are eligible. Selection will be made on merit cum poverty basis. Important dates: last day to apply is December 6, 2024, not 3. And admission test will be conducted on December 15, 2024. If you want to get preparation material, just email us on retieducationalacademy@gmail.com. Test centers: Sakhar, Hyderabad, Karachi, Mirpur Khas, Ladkana and Nawshara Afroz. The entry test will be conducted in these 6 districts, 6 test centers. Most important notes: there is not any hostel for boys or girls. You will be paid 5,000 per month for your hostel expenses, living costs. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. I have already uploaded STHP test questions. So there will be 2 sections, 2 parts in the entry test. Part 1, 50 questions from English MCQs. Part 2, mathematics MCQs, total 100 MCQs. You will be given 120 minutes. This is the English syllabus. I have already uploaded test sample papers issued by Sukkur IBA University. Links are given in the description box. You may visit those papers. Reading comprehension, vocabulary, synonyms, vocabulary antonyms, uses of prepositions, error detection, use of verbs, use of pair of words, use of tenses and spellings. For test syllabus for mathematics, real number system, algebraic expressions, linear and quadratic equations, absolute value and linear inequalities, relations and functions, systems of equations, word problems and applications, area, perimeter, circumferences, volume, fractions, decimals, percent, ratio, proportion, variation, unit rate. How to apply a step-by-step tutorial is uploaded on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. This will help you after watching that video, you can apply yourself without getting information from anyone else or without going to any computer center. So just watch this video. This video is very basic. All the steps are followed. If you have any other questions, you may comment as well. Test sample paper for mathematics and English is also uploaded on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. That is the same test sample paper for NTHP, STHP. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. If you have any other query related to STHP, just comment. Thank you. Stay connected.